Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an informative video that will help you keep your oral hygiene in check by learning how to effectively remove dental plaque at home. Dental plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth, and if left untreated, it can lead to various dental issues such as cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. So let's dive in and discover some simple yet effective techniques to maintain a healthy smile. Step number 1. Brushing techniques. The first step in removing dental plaque is to ensure that you brush your teeth properly. Here are few key techniques to keep in your mind while brushing. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush and apply a precise amount of fluoride toothpaste. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle against your gums. Brush gently in short circular motion, focusing on each tooth surface, including the front, back, and chewing surfaces. Don't forget to brush your tongue to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. Remember to brush for at least 2 minutes each day. Step number 2. Flossing tips. Brushing alone cannot reach all the areas between your teeth. That's why flossing comes into play. Follow these flossing tips to remove plaque from those hard to reach spots. Use approximately 18 inches of dental floss and rub the ends around your middle fingers, leaving a few inches of floss in between. Gently slide the floss between your teeth, carving it into a C shape around each tooth. Move the floss up and down, making sure to go below the gum line. Use a clean section of floss for each tooth. Be thorough but gently to avoid injuring your gums. Step number 3. Mouthwash for extra protection. In addition to brushing and flossing, incorporating an antibacterial mouthwash into your routine can provide extra protection against plaque and gum disease. Here is how to use mouthwash effectively. Pour the recommended amount of mouthwash into a cup. Rinse your mouth thoroughly for about 30 seconds, swishing the liquid around your teeth and gums. Spit out the mouthwash and avoid rinsing with water afterward to allow the active ingredients to continue working. Step number 4. Maintain a healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet plays a vital role in oral hygiene. Limit your intake of sugary and acidic foods as they contribute to plaque buildup. Instead, focus on consuming fresh foods and vegetables high in fiber. Dairy products like cheese and yogurt, which helps neutralize acids and promote cellular protection. Lean proteins and whole grains for overall health benefits. Step number 5. Regular dental checkups. Lastly, it's essential to schedule regular dental checkups to maintain optimal oral health. Your dentist will thoroughly clean your teeth, remove any plaque or tartar buildup, and addresses any potential dental issues before they worsen. Conclusion. That's all for today's video on removing dental plaque and keeping your oral hygiene at its best. Remember to brush and floss diligently, incorporate mouthwash, maintain a healthy diet, and don't forget those routine dental visits. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a healthy and confident smile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.